Hey everybody, welcome to Remedy This. Today, you're going to discover a simple, nourishing drink recipe that will have you losing belly fat fast. And this drink is made with ingredients most of which you probably already have in your kitchen. Make sure to watch this video all the way to the end because you're not going to believe some of the ingredients in this drink. I know I was amazed to discover this myself. So let's get started. What you need to start with is a nice sized cup or mug, whatever you prefer drinking out of. The first thing you're going to add to your cup is going to be, believe it or not, Coca-Cola. Put about half cup of Coca-Cola in your cup. Next, you want to dice up about a quarter of a cucumber and add that to your cup. The next ingredient for this drink will be orange. Cut an orange in half and squeeze the contents of half the orange into your cup. Be sure to get as much of the juice and pulp as you can. You don't want to waste any of it. Now you're going to add ginger to your drink. Use fresh ginger if you have it. If you don't have fresh ginger, you can use ginger powder. Just add 2 teaspoons of ginger powder to your cup. Ginger is one of the secret ingredients in this drink for burning fat. It's good to always have ginger in your diet every chance you get. The next thing you're going to add is lemon. When you're talking about shedding fat from your body, lemon is very essential. So go ahead and cut a lemon in half. Remove the seeds and squeeze the juice into your drink. If your lemon is small and doesn't have a lot of juice, go ahead and use the entire lemon. The last thing you're going to add to your drink is about 1/4 cup of water. And then you want to stir this mixture very well. In case you're wondering about Coca-Cola being in this drink, I did too. But I think the carbonation actually helps to mix the ingredients together, and it turns out that it's such a small amount of Coke that once it's mixed with all the other ingredients, the drink doesn't even have a sugary taste to it. And the ginger mixed with these other ingredients becomes the secret to making this drink a fat burner. I suppose you could use just plain carbonated water though if you really don't want to use Coca-Cola. Now you can drink your fat burning drink. And if you like to eat cucumber, be sure to eat it as you drink the fat burning drink because it tastes really good after it's been mixed with all the other ingredients. You should drink this in the morning as well as in the evening. Drink it twice a day like this for an entire week and you're going to see positive, effective results. If you start a drink and don't finish it, it can be kept in the refrigerator until you're ready to finish it. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please help us out by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for this channel so you don't miss any of our new videos about home remedies and much more.